Welcome in fifth part. Uh, in fourth part, we had seen that Gangadhar Rao and Rani Lakshmi Bai, they were discussed about adopting a child. Okay, that situation was created in fourth part, and now it's fifth part. Okay, so according to fourth part, now we know well about that. Manu means Rani Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao, they were agreeing for that adopting child. Okay. Now let's move on fifth part. Okay. Now see, narrator. Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopt a son and call him Damodar Rao. In fifth part, they describe about their life. In fifth part, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao, they adopt one child. Okay, and that name was Damodar. That name was Damodar Rao. But fate has another tragedy in store for the Rani. The day after their son comes home, Gangadhar Rao passes away. The British refused to recognize the adopted son as his successor. He is not granted the right to rule. One day at the fort in Jhansi. Means for that, after some time or after some days, that child, that son, means Gangadhar Rao, came in that fort. But that times, Gangadhar Rao means that king of Jhansi, he died. He died. So at that time, what happened? Now we know very well about that. Gangadhar Rao, he was adopted child. He was adopted child, right? So that's why British East India Company of British refused that permission or refused that recognize the adopted son as a successor. He is not granted the right to rule. He just declared that he is not under that rules. Who? British ने कहा कि ये लॉ में नहीं आता है. Okay. One day at the fort in Jhansi. Now, one day what happened? One day in the fort of Jhansi के fort में, Jhansi के किले में क्या हुआ? Courtier announce, दरबारी जो है वो announce करते हैं, Major ill is to see the Rani. The major enter and is seated. Okay, जो दरबारी लोग रहते हैं उन्होंने अनाउंस किया कि मेजर इलिस जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी या फिर ब्रिटिश रूलर था एक. Okay, just what can we say that he was an employee of that British. So that times when he just entered in that fort, so that times courtier announced that Major Illis enter or Major Illis to see the Rani. Then now it's turn of Manu means Rani Lakshmi Bai. Major Illis, I have written many letters to the Governor General Lord Dalhousie. Regarding my son, why is he not being granted the right to rule? Means for that, Rani Lakshmi Bai asked to Major Illis. She just said, I have written many. Means she has written many letters. She has written many letters to Governor General Lord Dalhousie. At the times, who was General? Lord Dalhousie. So she has written many letters to Lord Dalhousie regarding her son. Why is he not being granted the right to rule? Major Illis. Now, Major Illis answer or reply on that question. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने कहा कि मैंने बहुत सारे खत लिखे हैं, लेकिन लॉर्ड डलहौसी ने उन्हें एक्सेप्ट क्यों नहीं किया है, उस लॉ के साथ उन्हें कंसीडर क्यों नहीं किया है. सो आफ्टर दैट मेजर इलिस रिप्लाई ऑन दैट सेंटेंस और ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन. सी, बिकॉज ही इज ओनली एन एडॉप्टेड सन, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई he said, what he said, because he is only an adopted son, Rani Lakshmibai, he cannot be the heir to the throne. And regarding yourself, I have an order from the Governor General of India. You are to leave the fort and live in a palace in the city. The fort of Jhansi will now come under British protection. Who said? Major Ellis. Major Ellis said, I have some orders from British or from that General of India, from Lord Dalhousie. From Lord Dalhousie, that he is not under in that law. That's why we are or they are not considered your letter. And you have to leave this your fort, because from right now this fort will be go under in a British ruler or in protection of British ruler. अब ये उनके अंडर में जा रहा है. ओके, ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. किसने? मेजर एलिस ने. नाउ it's turn of Rani, means Rani Lakshmibai. Protection? She just asked question. Protection? Why she asked this question? Because Major Ellis said the fort of Jhansi will now come under British protection. British के protection में ये अभी जाएगा. That's why Rani Lakshmibai said protection from whom? How unjust your laws? Where is that? How unjust your laws are. Here is exclamation mark. Okay, she said that, or she replied that, I shall appeal against this order. So Rani Lakshmibai said that I will appeal against this order. मैं उस पे मुकदमा करूँगी या फिर चलाऊँगी. Means what can we say that she will just challenge with that law. She just challenged with that law. That's why Rani Lakshmibai said to Major Ellis, what she said, I shall appeal against this order. I shall appeal against this order. Okay. So till here in fifth part, okay, in fifth part, we have seen that they got or they adopted one child. They adopted one child, and what was that name? That name was Damodar. That name was Damodar Rao. Okay. And after some time, King of Jhansi, means Gangadhar Rao. Gangadhar Rao was died, and you know about that there was one act or rules or law. Those kings, they don't have their own sons. Okay, so that all kingdom, that all properties will be going under British ruler or British rule. Okay, so that time there was one law. So when Gangadhar Rao died, so that times Damodar Rao was son of Rani Lakshmibai, adopted son Damodar Rao. But British, means Lord Dalhousie, General of India, at the time he was General of India, Lord Dalhousie, he didn't accept that condition. So that's why Major Ellis informed to Rani Lakshmibai, you have to leave this fort right now. Okay, so on that condition or on that situation, Rani Lakshmibai said to Major Ellis, or Rani Lakshmibai told to Major Ellis that I will appeal for that law. Okay, I will appeal. Where is it? I will appeal against this order. Okay, यहाँ तक हमने fifth part में देखा है. Which is remaining sixth part. We shall continue in next video, 6, 7 part. Okay, I hope you just understood third, fourth, and fifth part. Okay, so till then, see you. Bye.